Hey guys, welcome back to another look of September fall. Today I'm gonna do another freestyle. The only thing that I'm gonna mention that I did purchase is just very different. Again, I'm gonna skip all over the process from my foundation and all that, but I went and purchased this right here. It's a mattifying primer. So far my face feels really good, so I wanted to try creating that look. Yellow, orange, and a little bit of brown, so I don't know if it's gonna come out. So I'm about to start this look, and since I go to work, so let's see how it comes out. Okay, so for this I'm gonna use a different palettes, different everything. So for right now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Morphe 12 Picasso palette, and I'm gonna dip it into that orange for on top of my cut. I'm using the BH Cosmetics 11, a large flat fluffy brush, and then I'm gonna use on the other one BH Cosmetics Studio Pro. Gonna go ahead in a large fluffy brush, so I'm gonna use those two. So we're gonna pack that. All we're doing is just tapping. Let me put my mirror down. Just tapping, so that way you can see the light is a little bit better. I'm using the two of my windows and my light, because apparently my light is it's not that great. So I need to buy another extension, so we'll see. So what they're gonna do is just pack it and pack till it's the color that I want. Texture, and my background is beautiful. My little kisses. So now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go ahead with the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro fluffy brush. Just gonna kind of start blending the outsides. It has a little bit of the brown shadow, but that's fine, because we're gonna go in with a white one. Get another brush from BH Cosmetics 101 like this. I'm gonna use the Morphe Matte 35O Matte. I'm gonna use very little of this one, and very slightly right here. Now that they darken up a little bit, and very slightly, don't press it too hard, because you're gonna get very harsh the color. Very slightly start going back and forth. Now I'm gonna use my Eco Tools blend sorry, and I'm gonna go with that BH Cosmetics. I was gonna say I'm so used to BH Cosmetics. That Morphe 35O Matte. I'm gonna get some of this and this one right here. I'm gonna combine it to put them under my brow. And then with the excess of it, I'm just gonna kind of tap it again. Then with my e.l.f. concealer that is in color Fair, I'm gonna go ahead and start correcting my lid. And I'm just gonna stop in the middle. And then with my NYX Pigment Primer, I'm gonna put some in my lid. Once it's getting a little bit tacky, then I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics 28 color eyeshadow foils, and I'm gonna use this beautiful yellow right here. And with a large flat, kind of middle, is the BH Cosmetics 9. I'm just gonna kind of start dabbing the outside. I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics number 12. I'm gonna dip it into that one and start bringing it in. Corner, I'm gonna use this dark brown, that one, and this one. It doesn't have any number, but it's gonna be like this. I'm gonna start combining the color to cut the harsh line. Now I'm gonna use very little of this one right here. I'm gonna go with BH Cosmetics number 15, and it looks like this. I'm gonna kind of slightly do the line so the orange can come out as well. And now to darken it up a little bit, I'm gonna go in quickly with the Morphe 12 Picasso palette, and I'm gonna dip it into that deep orange. Now that we're done with that, I'm gonna quickly jump into my e.l.f. It's brand new. As you can see how shiny it is. And then under right here, I'm gonna go with my NYX liquid eyeliner in matte. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm gonna go get my NYX Jumbo Black for my waterline. And then I'm gonna get my eyelash curler, start curling my lashes. With my body paint, Metron. This is the color. I'm gonna go in with the white one. You can use what I use. This one I don't use it anymore, but it was to be from the NYX brush liquid eyeliner. So I cleaned it really good, and that's how I've been getting my very thin lines. Use that one. I have two different ones. I have the white one, and then I have the black one, because this one is more if I want to go with other colors, and the white one is just simply just for the white one, because it does tend to stain it if you go into another color, and you just have to wash it really good. And then just to clean it, because I know if you go with another color, they do attempt to stain the other makeup, the other paint. So I just use this one, the Studio 35 Beauty from, I got this one from Walgreens. This is the brush and sponge cleaner. And it cleans this really good. So look how clean it leaves it. So ready for the next. You can see they're very pigmented, the colors, very pigmented. So it actually goes exactly how you see them. They're exactly how they go. And then very quickly, I'm gonna use this eyelashes. It's gonna be from this ones right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on, and from this point on, I'm just gonna do the rest outside. Oh my gosh, are you guys seeing this eyelash? Oh my god. It looks beautiful. What I did, since they come out, like I haven't done it on this one, I just already did it on this one, but they come down a little bit down. So what I do, I just curl them up as like 5 times, curl them, and as you can see, they look beautiful. So since I have crazy colors going on, why not and get a little nude lipstick? So let's see how this works. Wow, I like this color. The Secret Topper. This is a very beautiful color. So I'm gonna get excited with this one. So let's see. Ooh, I like this one. Okay. Wow. You know what? It gives you like a wet effect. With my setting spray on, so we can lock this look. You just like that refreshing feeling. Okay guys, so there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully you guys like this look as much as I do. And then on another note, I wanted to say thank you so much for everybody has been sharing my posts. Thank you guys so much. From the bottom of my heart, I really do appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys sharing and everything, and showing me loves. And as I said, you guys, thank you so much. Love you guys. Muchos besitos. See you to the next look. Thank you guys.